Okay, so in this video we're gonna create the waypoints for our AI characters. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create waypoints. For example, from this position I will go in this direction, then right here we will turn and then turn right here, and we will move the waypoints right till this point, and then from here we will move to this waypoint back again. Okay, and if you want to extend this, then you can do that as well in your whole environment, but I'm gonna do it for just this area so that you guys can know how you can add your own waypoints. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna rotate this on 180 and then click on waypoint editor tool. Let's create a waypoint. So this will be the first waypoint. Let's create the second one, move it in that direction, select the waypoint, let's move it in here. Okay, now create another one, move it forward, then create another one, move it right here, create another one, and let's move it till this point, and then from here we're gonna create one more till this point, then the next one will be right there. Okay, now create one more, move it right here like this, and we need to rotate this in this direction so it is 90. Okay, rotate it, but first let's move this right here, then move it right here actually. Okay, so now move this right there, and then let's create another one, move it in the straight direction now. Okay, so move it right here, then create another one, and we need to move this till this side so that it doesn't go inside the building. Okay, create another one till this point. Alright, so here it is. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate this on 180. Okay, move it right here, then let's create in this direction now, create another one, move it till that point, and there create one more. Alright, it is taking place, so we're gonna move from here till there and then like that. Okay, so let's move this one right here, then move it again till that point. Create another one and move it right here. Now we need to move it on one -90. Okay, so it is right there. Let's create another one, move it in the forward direction now. Create another one, move it in the forward direction. Okay, till this point. And now from here you can either go that way and then join it with here, or you can just connect it in this direction. Okay, so I'm gonna do it in this direction just simply because now you guys know how you can create waypoints. Okay, so this is the waypoint. I'm gonna create one more right here. Okay, and let's rotate this on 90, actually 180. Why is it still looking at that side? Okay, we just have to make it 0. Okay, now move it right there. Move this one right here. And this one should be like this. Okay, so now, as you know that in the inspector, all of the waypoints next and previous waypoints are added. But if you check the last one, the next waypoint is missing, and and the waypoint 0, previous waypoint is missing. So if you select waypoint 0 in the previous one, we're going to drag and drop the 20. As you can see, it is connected. And if we select 20 in here, we're going to drag and drop the 0. And now as you can see, they are connected just perfectly fine. And we can move it like this. Okay. So all of them are now connected. Okay. The next thing which we will be doing now is adding the AI characters. So in the next video, we're gonna add AI characters and then they're gonna walk inside this waypoint system, okay?